Before starting the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get notified about our future videos. Hey everyone, it's Yubi and today I'm going to unbox Sony Ericsson w200i, a phone from 2007. If you don't know Sony Ericsson, it was formed at 2001 by the joint venture of Sony and Ericsson, which is known as Sony Mobile at present. Going back to video, you can see the size of the box is much bigger than the actual phone. To know why, stick till the end of the video. Now let's unbox it. Firstly, you will get the phone itself. Man, how tiny it is. It fits in my palm very easily. To compare the size, let me bring my Nokia 3310. Here you can see it is very small. It is also much thicker than my Nokia. Let's see other accessories in the box. You will get a charger which connects via a proprietary connector. You will also get a removable battery and it is 780 mAh. You will also get an earphone shown as on the screen. It also uses the same connector as the charger. Digging more inside the box, you will get a USB data syncing cable which is grey color. There are some paperworks, user manual and more paperworks. Lastly, you will get an envelope. It contains CD for installing driver in PC. This CD is the main reason for making the box much bigger. So that's all we get inside the box of Sony Ericsson w200i. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So bye and stay home and stay safe. See you again at the next one.